Hello, good day, and welcome to NX Auto World. I am NX Automobile Consultant. So today we are going to use the VIN to check some basic information about our car before we even make purchase or before we even inspect our car. So you can get the VIN from the one you are buying the car from and check some basic information for you to be informed before you get to check the car physically. Yeah, so this is a step-by-step something. So we are not going to take much time and we are going to go through so that we are going to know some basic information before we purchase any used car. So before you purchase any car from someone, you have to know this information beforehand before you can buy that car you want to buy. So as I said, it's a step-by-step process. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and click on the notification icon to get notified. Since it's a step-by-step something, you're not going to take much time in going through. So either we use a free VN checker website or you use Google. You can use Google search engine to search for information about your car using the VIN. But sometimes you should know that after you using the VIN, you might not get any information about your car sometimes. So it's best to consult the VIN checker website. Yeah, consult. So you're going to do both of them now. You're going to do both of them now. And because I'm using a VIN from a website, I just don't want uh, to post the full the 17 numbers. I'm going to cover some of them to prevent any copyright laws and other things. And I don't have any rights on any sites I use on this in this video. I don't have any rights on any sites I use for educational purpose. That's why I'm using, and because it's free. Maybe there are some paid ones over there. There are not. Maybe there are. So because we are checking some basic info, which we want, so we want free ones. So any sites I use in this video for educational purpose. Thank you. So as I said, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and click on the notification icon. So let's delve into the process of us going through using the VIN to check some basic information about our car. So the first thing we are going to do is use Google. Since I said I copied the VIN from somewhere, I'm going to paste it at Google, as you can see on your video. After pasting, then you search. You can see we have Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 over there, a red color. There are many sites which is going to give you some basic information. So you can click on the site and check. And the next thing is use the VIN checker. VIN checker. You can see there are many websites over here. There are many websites. So let's use VIN checker info. They run a free VIN checker instantly, no credit card needed. We are going to use that one. So let's patiently wait for it to load. Yeah, okay, the site has loaded. So the next thing is you are going to paste in your VIN here and continue on to search. So let's wait patiently for the site to load. Let's wait patiently for the site to load. So we are waiting VN checker checking if the connection is secure. Yeah. So you have to wait connection secure. So let's wait. But please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share as well. And I have a video on VIN as well, video on VIN. So you can check that video and get some basic information about VIN. And with this, we are going to know our mileage. Yeah, I have a video on mileage, so you can also check and get the information on mileage, which I want you to know. This is for educational purpose. I don't have any right to use this website, but because they said it's free and for educational purpose, I had to use it. Yeah, so you can also use it because it's a free something. Yeah, so initializing. So I'm going to cover the VIN so that you wouldn't know the type, the VIN I used. Yeah, I'm going to cover it. So these are some basic information you are going to know. Theft found, none. Accident record, none. Salvage auction found, none. Sales record found, two. Vehicle age, 5 years. Made in Germany. Body type, you can see there's a red car over there. And let's come down and you are seeing sales record. You have two sales record. And with the sales record, you can see listing price. You can see the mileage. So you can use this to check your mileage and know if the car you're going to buy it matches with this mileage or quite like if this is 2026,501. If you are to buy this car now and it's, let's say, 30,000, at least it's normal because it's been driven for some time now. Yeah. But let's say you are to buy this car and the mileage is below 26,000, you should know they've tempered with it, so you're not going to buy. And you have the color of the vehicle, Jupiter red, so you should know the car you are to buy is, let's say, Jupiter red. If it is any color, you should know, yeah, maybe the paint has been changed. Yeah, so these are some basic information you should know using the VIN, some basic information. If you want to have a full history of your VIN, you have a site which you have to pay using credit card or any other format of payment to get much more information about your car. So today's video was to show us how to get some basic information about our car. And this is the process to get the basic information, either using Google search or using a VIN checker site, any free or paid one, yeah, to get some basic information about your car. So as I said, thank you for watching this video. I am Ernest, your automobile consultant. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click on the notification icon to get notified. Bye.